Good day everyone, we are from BSIT 5F under the College of Computing and Information Science at System Plus College Foundation. Our research title is Gamified Study Tools, Enhancing Confidence and Oral Performance Among SPCF College Students during Academic Recitations. I am Jason Shoko and with me are Stephen Iverson, Santos, and Jadrick Bahate. This study is part of our Methods of Research subject for the for the academic year 2025-2026. So, let's start on introduction. In today's learning environment, many students experience nervousness or anxiety when called to recite in class. To address this, our research explores the use of gamification, an educational strategy that applies game elements such as points, badges, and leaderboards to learning. Tools like Kahoot and quizzes makes lessons more fun and interactive, which can reduce stress and improve participation. Our study focuses on how these gamified study tools can help students gain confidence and perform better during oral recitation. So, we'll proceed on research problems. Our main problem asks how can gamified study tools improve student confidence and performance during academic recitations? To answer this, we look into the following sub-problems, like what challenges do students face in terms of confidence and performance during recitation? And the other one is how effective are gamified tools like Kahoot and quizzes in reducing anxiety? And the third one, how do these tools influence confidence and recall? And finally, what impact do they have on oral performance outcomes? We focus on oral recitation because it's one of the most common yet stressful classroom activities for students. And the next slide is objectives. Our study aims to identify ways to make oral recitations less stressful and more engaging. Specifically, we aim to identify common challenges students face during recitations, examine the effectiveness of gamified study tools in reducing anxiety. The third one is assess their influence on student confidence and evaluate their impact on oral performance outcomes. Through these objectives, we hope to provide educators with a strategy that helps students recite more confidently and enjoy learning at the same time. And the next slide is conceptual framework. Our study is guided by two theories. The first is the self-determination theory by Deci and Ryan, 1985, which explains that students are more motivated when they feel competent, autonomous, and connected with others. For example, earning points in Kahoot can give a sense of accomplishment, increasing motivation. And the second one is the cognitive load theory by Sweller, 1988, which says that learning improves when unnecessary stress is reduced. Gamified tools make studying lighter and more interactive, helping students absorb information better. Our model shows that gamified tools improve student confidence and which then enhances oral performance during recitation. And our design, we use a quantitative descriptive research design supported by a qualitative insights. This approach allows us to measure confidence and performance objectively while still gathering feedback from students. Our participants were 30 to 40 BSIT 5F students enrolled in academic year 2025-2026. We use three instruments. The first one is a survey questionnaire to measure confidence and anxiety. And second one is the pre and post test rubrics to evaluate oral performance and a focus group discussion guide to gather deeper insights from selected participants. This helps us assess both numerical results and personal experience. Data gathering procedure. Our data gathering followed several steps. We first secured approval from the dean and obtained informed consent from participants. Second one is we conducted pre-tests and initial surveys to measure their baseline confidence and anxiety. And for about 2 to 3 weeks, students used gamified tools such as Kahoot, quizzes, and flashcards to prepare for their recitation. Afterwards, we conducted post-test follow-up surveys and focus group discussions. And finally, we encoded and analyzed the data using statistical tools. These steps ensured that we could clearly measure how much students improve after using gamified tools. Ethical consideration. We made sure to follow ethical research practices based on Data Privacy Act of 2012 RA 10173. Partipi- Participation was voluntary and all respondents signed an informed consent form. Their data was kept confidential and stored in a password protected file. We also ensured that participants had the right to withdraw anytime, and their information was used only for academic purposes. After the study, all data was properly deleted to maintain privacy. Statistical treatment. To analyze our data, we use the following statistical tools: frequency and percentage to describe the demographic profile of our respondents, weighted mean to determine confidence and anxiety levels before and after using gamified tools, and standard deviation to measure variability and responses, and a paired t-test to see if there were significant improvements after using gamified study tools. These analyses help us confirm that gamification positively influenced both student confidence and oral performance. Thank you. In conclusion, our study shows that gamified study tools such as Kahoot, quizzes, and flashcards can significantly enhance students' confidence, reduce anxiety, and improve oral performance. Gamification makes learning more enjoyable, less intimidating, and more effective. Thank you for listening to our presentation. We are now open to any question and clarification. So we'll proceed on the Q&A section provided by Stephen Santos and Jadrick Bahade.
What specific problem or gap in the current information technology landscape does your concept aim to address? Well, as a student, I've noticed that many of us struggle with confidence and anxiety during oral recitations. Even when we study hard, we sometimes freeze or forget what we know when we're asked to speak in front of the class. Most exciting study tools focus on written exams or general engagement, but they don't really help us prepare for live speaking tasks. That's the gap I wanted to address. How to support students emotionally and mentally through technology, especially during oral performance. That's it for the first question. And for the second question is, how does your proposed system or technology improve efficiency, security, or user experience compared to existing solutions? Well, our system improves things by making the review process more interactive and less stressful. Instead of just reading notes or doing traditional question and answers, students use gamified tools like Kahoot, quiz, and flashcards. These tools help us remember better and feel more relaxed while studying. It's also more efficient because the review sessions are focused on engaging. Well, in terms of security, everything is done digitally and we follow the privacy rules. So students' information stays safe. Overall, the experience is more enjoyable and helps build confidence before the actual recitation. And for the third questions, what are the key features or components of your proposed IT concept and how do they integrate to achieve your objectives? The main features of our concept include the gamified study tools, confidence surveys, and performance rubrics. First, students use Kahoot or quiz to review the topics in a fun and interactive way. Then we measure their confidence before and after using the tools through surveys. Finally, we have evaluate their actual performance during recitation using rubric that checks fluency and confidence. These parts work together to help students prepare and feel more confident and perform better to the time speaking in the class. And that's it for the third question. We will now proceed on Jade Bahade.
What resources, technologies, or platforms are required to implement your proposal successfully? We require access to smartphones, laptop, internet, and gamified platforms such as Kahoot and quizzes. Faculty support is vital for classroom integration, while Excel and SPSS will be used for outcome analysis. For the fifth question, how do you plan to measure the effectiveness of impact of your proposed IT concept once deployed? We will use pre and post recitation evaluation like scale, survey, and focus group discussion. Data will be analyzed with pair t-tests and weighted means to determine significant improvements. That's all.
And we are the Research Nexus. And thank you for listening to our presentation.